Good morning, Zimbabwe. When Emerson Mnangagwa pretends not to understand why Zimbabwe rejects him, the answer is carved into every reckless decision he makes. His unfiltered ignorance, his shameless irresponsibility, and his deliberate contempt of the well-being of the nation have made him an unwanted burden, a leader in title only, never in substance. Sanamida mashoko atoona kuti mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino rejectwa. Panguva ino tikuona kuti vana Christopher Mushangu again vari kuita mapress conference vachiti 2030 mutungamiri wenyika anenge aripo. Ndobva wasubscribe like but on the bell icon. Kenda mujata anouya panguva inanyora achiti what kind of presidents gloats about promoting tobacco smoking, only a leadership so bankrupt, so morally collapsed that it sees national destruction as entertainment. ED behaves like a man allergic to progress, a man who celebrates sickness in a country already suffocating under economic and social collapse. While nations with real leadership are fighting to protect their citizens from cancer, COPD, and premature death, Zimbabwe is stuck with a ruler who proudly pushes the very poison the world is abandoning. It is sabotage wearing a scarf. It is incompetence wearing a suit. It is dangerous. It is a fixation on promoting habits that destroy the youth is not accidental. It is strategic. A weakened generation cannot challenge him. A distracted population cannot hold him accountable. A sick nation cannot rise. That is the wickedness of his agenda. Mnangagwa's reduced leadership to a circus of miscalculation, mockery, and mediocrity. He behaves like a man committed to dismantling the future brick by brick, breath by breath. For him, chaos is policy, destruction is achievement. Zimbabwe deserves leaders who build, not leaders who bulldoze hope. It has become the embodiment of national decay, a political disaster zone. What a shame, what a crisis, what a catastrophic insult to the nation. #ED must go. Thomas kwa muda nyuko pangwa ino na kitana mjati. Bina kwa message medu mbozo fungure inbo tulipa msoro bechitko ichi. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.